In this video, we're going to show you how to install the positioning sensor on your front load washer. On this particular machine, the positioning sensor is actually part of the stator itself. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is connect our electrical harness, the small one to the positioning sensor, and the main harness that's actually feeding the stator itself. Lock them into place, position the stator on the tub, and now you have it in place. Just bring your bolts in. With your 10mm socket, just tighten them up. On your machine, they may not be 10mm, they may be 7/16 or whatever the manufacturers use in order to secure it. So just tighten them on. And now you're ready to put the rotor back in place.